Life in Celebration, Florida, offers homeowners a charming community atmosphere paired with year-round sunshine. While the warm climate is part of what makes the area so desirable, it also brings one big challenge: high cooling costs. Air conditioners often run overtime to keep homes comfortable, which can drive energy bills through the roof. Thankfully, upgrading to energy-efficient windows is one of the best ways to reduce cooling costs while improving comfort and style in your celebration home. Why windows impact cooling costs? Windows aren't just decorative, they're one of the most important parts of your home's energy performance. Heat transfer. Older single-pane windows allow outside heat to pass through easily, raising indoor temperatures. Solar gain. Unprotected glass lets in direct sunlight, making rooms hotter and forcing air conditioners to work harder. Leaky seals. Worn frames and weather stripping create drafts that reduce your home's efficiency. In Celebration's sunny climate, inefficient windows can make a big difference in both comfort and monthly expenses. Double and triple pane glass. One of the most popular options for energy-efficient upgrades is double or triple pane glass. Insulated layers. Multiple panes of glass are separated by insulating gas, such as argon or krypton, which slows heat transfer. Enhanced comfort. Keeps hot air out during summer and maintains cooler indoor temperatures. Cost savings. With less strain on your AC system, monthly energy bills can drop noticeably. For Celebration homeowners, upgrading from single pane to double or triple pane windows is a significant step toward efficiency. Low-E glass coatings. Low emissivity, low-E glass is another smart option for Florida homes. Reflective coating. A nearly invisible layer reflects heat away from your home while still allowing natural light inside. UV protection. Blocks harmful rays that can fade furniture, flooring, and curtains. Year-round benefits. Keeps homes cooler in summer and reduces heat loss in cooler months. Low-E windows are especially useful in Celebration, where sun exposure is strong throughout the year. Frame materials that resist heat. The type of frame you choose also affects energy performance. Vinyl frames. Affordable, low maintenance, and resistant to heat and humidity. Fiberglass frames. Extremely durable and excellent at insulating against Florida's high temperatures. Composite frames. Blend materials for strength and energy efficiency. These options outperform traditional wood frames, which may warp in Celebration's humid climate. Tinted and reflective glass options. If your home has large windows or gets a lot of direct sun, tinted or reflective glass is worth considering. Tinted glass reduces glare and absorbs solar heat, lowering cooling demands. Reflective glass acts like a mirror during the day, bouncing sunlight away while maintaining privacy. Aesthetic variety. Available in different shades to complement your home's exterior. These solutions work especially well for homes in Celebration neighborhoods with broad, sun-facing windows. The importance of professional installation. Even the best windows won't perform well if they're not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures proper sealing, prevents air leaks and drafts. Correct fitting. Keeps frames aligned and glass performing at peak efficiency. Long-term durability. Protects your investment and maximizes energy savings. By hiring local experts, you'll get windows designed and installed specifically for Florida's climate. Final thoughts. For Celebration homeowners, energy-efficient windows are more than a cosmetic upgrade. They're a way to significantly lower cooling costs, improve comfort, and enhance your home's style. Options like double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and durable frames provide year-round benefits while keeping your AC from working overtime. If your current windows are outdated or driving up your energy bills, now is the perfect time to explore modern, energy-saving options. With the right windows and professional installation, you can enjoy a cooler, more efficient, and more comfortable Celebration home, without the high utility costs.